Hi everyone and welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite Mexican street corn. So first things first, we're going to start with the base. I have some mayo and I'm also going to be adding in sour cream. Next, I will be seasoning this bad boy up. Use whatever seasonings you like, but I do recommend the seasonings that I have listed down below in the description box. So be sure to check that out. I just have my basic seasonings. I have onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. I went ahead and added some of that chili powder for more color and a little bit of that spice flavor. Okay, we're gonna go in with a pinch of kosher salt as well as a pinch of black pepper. Next, I will be zesting a lime and I also will be adding in some of that lime juice. I love the flavor of the lime zest. So squeeze in that lime juice really well. After you put in the lime juice, we're just going to give that a quick mix. I do recommend using some type of whisk because it really breaks up those seasonings so it's not clumpy. After that, we're just going to sit it in the refrigerator covered until the corn is ready. My oven is preheated on 425. I will be baking my corn for about 20 minutes. And here I'm just basting the corn on the cobs with melted butter. My melted butter is unsalted melted butter. It just gives it a little bit flavor and also helps soften up those kernels. So I will be placing my corn on a rack and I want a really nice char. Usually I grill my corn and it brings such an amazing flavor, but for the sake of this recipe, I will be baking it for 20 minutes. This is the cheese that I will be using. I do recommend crumbled cheese, so be sure to look for that. So my cheese is crumbled. Now I'm going to take that mix we made earlier and we're going to rub that all over the corn. Now you want to make sure you have a thin layer. You don't want to add too much, but add to your liking as well. Next, after that, I will be using my crumbled cheese and sprinkling that all over the corn, and I will be turning it and sprinkling the other side as well. Next, we're going to add some freshly chopped cilantro. Like I said, this recipe is amazing. It's super easy and quick. It's the perfect side dish for Taco Tuesday. After that, last but not least, we're going to sprinkle some chili powder on top, turn it over, do the same on the other side, and serve. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.